This is 12618 Mill Creek Drive in Northport, located in the Hidden Meadows neighborhood just off of Rose Boulevard. This house does back up to some undeveloped land, so it kind of backs up to some woods currently. Nice walking trail behind it, we'll see in just a second. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. And we'll head inside to check it out. All right, as we come inside, it's a pretty good size foyer area. Straight ahead is the living room and dining room. On our left are the 2 bedrooms and hall bath. We'll come back to those. Nice archways into the dining room area. Tray ceilings in the living room. It's laminate flooring throughout, or pre-finished hardwoods. It's pretty nice, low maintenance. Gas log fireplace. TV niche there above the fireplace as well. Come back and check out this dining room area. It's a good sized formal dining room area. There's also a breakfast area. Through that doorway straight ahead, the laundry room is that door, but that hallway goes to the garage and then to the kitchen as well. The door there leads to the back, covered back patio and back deck. Fenced in backyard, that's the master bedroom. We'll check out in just a minute. Come into the kitchen. Nice large kitchen. Has a breakfast room area. I guess it could also be used as a second living area or sitting area if you wanted it to. If you didn't need 2 eating areas, you could set it up as a second living area or playroom, office area, however. Lots of cabinets, a whole lot of cabinets. It's like built-in pantry, storage there, good bit. As you can see, nice upgraded appliances. Again, just a lot of cabinet space. Nice light over the kitchen sink. Double oven. Side-by-side refrigerator with ice in the door. Or not side-by-side, excuse me, French door refrigerator. Freezer on the bottom. Some nice stuff. Again, that doorway to the dining room and living room. Check out the laundry area. Decent size, you know, your room for your washer and dryer. Some storage above it, some hanging storage over here, so it's set up. A small closet there, door out to the garage, but just, I guess, kind of like pantry storage, but not very deep. And then door to the garage. Head back through the kitchen. Check out the master. Again, the same pre-finished hardwood floors. Another trade ceiling. Ceiling fan. Check out the master bath. It does have a tub and a separate shower. Good sized double vanity with some cabinet doors and drawers. Very large mirror. Some small storage above the toilet. Jacuzzi style tub. Glass block windows, so some nice light, but also privacy. And then fiberglass tub or shower unit. Back into the master bedroom. Check out the master closet. So you got double hanging on the left, some single hanging straight ahead, some hook storage as well. So nice size closet. All right, and we'll head back to the other 2 bedrooms and the hall bath. So there's a coat closet there on my right. Bedroom, bathroom, and another bedroom. Ceiling fan. Again, the pre-finished hardwood floors. Double closet. So a good bit of storage in the bedroom. Hall bath. Tub shower combo. Smaller vanity, but fine. And then some more storage there above the toilet. All right, and then the front bedroom. So this has a vaulted ceiling in it, so it's pretty high ceilings. Nice spacious room, like large double window. There is a nook there, great for either a dresser or a desk. Plenty of space, and then there's a double closet there behind that bedroom door. All right, we will head out towards the back to check out the backyard. All right, as you come out the back door, there's a covered patio. Part of it's covered. It also has this some type of awning here, crank out awning, I think, for additional shade. Nice synthetic deck off the back as well. So a large living area back here. Lots of good space. Starting to get a little dark, so the lighting's off a little bit. Storage room here. It's a decent sized storage room. Nothing major, but good backyard storage, toys or yard stuff. So then there is also plenty of grass and stuff. Nice little picket fence on the rear so you can enjoy the area behind you. So again, not a huge yard, more deck space probably than yard. It's nice on this side. There's not a neighbor directly next to you. It's where like the stormwater thing is. It doesn't like hold water, but it's nice that there's not a neighbor, so a little more privacy. And then this is pretty neat out the back. It's just woods, and there's like a neighborhood sidewalk back here. We're like a walking trail, so great amenity space to enjoy and nobody behind you. So there's a bridge there. I'm not sure where it goes. There's another one. I have not ventured out, but there looks to be some options, and then goes down that way a good ways as well. So a great backyard for what a lot of people consider a garden home, kind of a great outdoor back space. So if you want more information about this house, please check us out online on our website at Tuscaloosa propertymanagement.com.